So what is the news? Well, the news is Bitcoin is moving. The question is it moving in the right direction? Let's find out. Here on Coin360, you get this heat map. It's light red, it's dark red. The darker reds, by the way, show an even steeper decline. Not much difference with the volume heat map, where again it shows the degree or the intensity of the selling pressure, with the darker reds being the coins with the greatest selling pressure. But never say never. But there's always a light at the end of the tunnel. Just when everyone is selling, the savvy trader is buying. Why? Because everything is cheaper. If you missed out on getting your coins some months ago when they were at these prices, come on now, you can't afford to miss picking them up at the same price they were months ago. This is like a trader's paradise. But before you hit that buy button, let's see what Bitcoin has been up to over the past 24 hours. Right here within this rectangular box, Bitcoin has been consolidating for the past couple of weeks. We're on a daily chart. On several occasions, price action has broken out of this rectangular box, and that is the case again for today. The big question is it coming to retest this price level of 31,000? Or is it just going to break right down through what I would call a pretty strong support? Looking to the left, we can see price action pretty active around this support level. And the same is going on here as well. So, or what we really want to happen over the course of today and the next couple of weeks is for price action to bounce right off of the $31,000 line. This is where Bitcoin stood just 24 hours ago. And what I know we would all like to see is that it does not break down below the orange support level, the $31,000 line. Overnight, the price of Bitcoin did drop to that support line, the 31,000 line. It did bounce just as I hoped. But look at what begins to happen just a few hours into the day. Our support line was retested all right, but look at that whopping dump. So that was actually just a fake out. We have dumped to the tune of 6.5% in just under 5 hours. But look also, if we fast forward in time, what was our support line, the orange line, has now become resistance for Bitcoin. And the big question now is, within the space of one day, can Bitcoin reclaim the $31,000 price level? That's literally the $10 billion question. To be honest, it's a lot more than $10 billion. There's a lot of money at stake. We really have to keep on looking at this spot and see what's going to happen by the close of today. Just taking a quick glimpse at Coin360 again, looking at the heat map, things seem to be looking up. Bitcoin is up 0.5% thereabouts in the last couple of hours in the time of making this video. So that is already a good turn of events. And more importantly, it's heading towards reclaiming back that orange line of support at $31,000.
Yes!
And Bitcoin has actually made it, all in the space of a few minutes. Have we just witnessed the all-elusive Bitcoin bottom? Or is there still more dumping to come? All we can do is wait to see how the daily candlestick closes by the end of this day. But don't enter that trade just yet. Make sure you watch this video before you enter into a trade. Once Bitcoin can maintain this upward trend and reverse this bear run, then we're almost home and dry as far as the altcoins, because they are surely going to follow the leader, which in this case, we all know to be Bitcoin. Well, that's all, folks. I hope you've learned something from this video. And if you have, the only thing I ask is that you hit that like button, comment below, because I do use your comments to better inform me of what other content to create. Share with your friends and family. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, but most importantly, don't forget to hit that notification bell. That way you get my videos as soon as I upload them. And I'll meet you in the next video.